Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. So in this video, I'm going to be looking at Bitcoin and some of the altcoins. We look at Cosmos, Cardano, Polygon, and some of the coins doing the most gains like PEPE and some of the altcoins and other meme coins. So we're going to check out the whole cryptocurrency market, where I think cryptocurrency is going, what the outlook is like, and then I also give a micro short-term prediction on what I think is going to happen for Bitcoin and Ethereum over the week. So let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. All right guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. So in this video, we're going to look at Bitcoin and some of the altcoins. We're going to look at Bitcoin and the altcoin market. So guys, here's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. I do think Bitcoin is going to make a nice move to the upside here. I think Bitcoin is going to approach 30,000 to 32,000, but let me explain to you how and why. So I think that we're in this pennant right here. As you guys can see, we have this bullish flag formation. And if you go ahead and take a trend line, let's go ahead and zoom out and just take a trend line, pop this trend line on and take it from this high here and this high here and connect these two tops to give us another trend, and you guys can see where we can get our possible price target. So as you guys can see, we have this breakout of this pennant and we have this trend line above our head. Now let's go ahead and check what we are looking at. So guys, I think Bitcoin is going to move out of this pennant here, break out of this pennant, come to the top and retest it and start moving to the upside into close. So into the weekend close, 8 Eastern Standard Time, I think Bitcoin is going to start moving to the upside, probably about 30,000, 31,000, close around that area, then start to see pullback until the market opens on Monday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, around this time period, start heading to 30 to 32,000, maybe even 34,000, as crazy as it sounds, depending on what time frame it is. But as you guys can see, I think we're going to come to this next resistance right here above our heads, which is at about $32,500. So I think it's going to pop to there around the week, over this trading week coming up. Also, if we go ahead and look at the markets long term, Bitcoin is on a severe tear. So guys, this is not to be ignored. Right now, it's in a falling wedge formation and it's an extremely bullish pattern. It's a bullish continuation pattern. If we go ahead and type falling wedge, as you guys can see, it has a push to the upside, falling wedge, and then another push to the upside. Guys, what's happening for Bitcoin right now? Falling wedge, push to, or upside, falling wedge, and then another push to the upside, breaking the higher high. Now this was a year-long downtrend and it took 2 years to form this pattern, so it will take time for it to play out, but I do think a higher high is coming for Bitcoin in between 2024 and the end of 2023. I think we're going to see significant price movement into those time periods for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Also, if we look at the bigger time frames, the macro picture, you guys can see on the weekly time frame, we have green MACD on Bitcoin. And if we go ahead and pop on the super trend, you guys will see that we have a buy signal on the super trend that is letting us know that it is very, very bullish. Last time we had this buy signal on the weekly time frame, we had this run here and we had this massive run here. So what do you think is going to happen? Another move to the upside for Bitcoin. Something else interesting to look at is Ethereum. So Ethereum had this bottoming pattern right here, this wedge formation off of these previous lows, as you guys can see, and we have another huge signal for Bitcoin on the super trend and on Ethereum. And Ethereum has only given this signal one other time other than these previous times here. But last time we had this one, look at this massive run up. The only other time we were given this before and a couple other times were the previous bull runs before for Ethereum. As you guys can see, these are earlier on, but buy signals equal bull runs in Ethereum. And this massive run was after this last buy signal. And now we have a buy signal on the weekly time frame and green bullish MACD on a weekly time frame, telling us that bullish momentum is coming into the crypto markets. Now this is just the beginning of the bull run. I do think a new bull run is starting. There's going to be some sideways top, there's going to be some pullback, but it's going to go into that euphoria phase heading into the end of 2023, 2024, around that range, in my personal opinion. And we're already seeing some signs of that with coins like PEPE doing absolute numbers. Now I talked about this coin on 2 weeks ago, letting everyone know what was up. I'm not personally invested in this coin, but if I would have bought, I'd be massively up on my investment already. I talked about it 2 weeks ago, and as you guys can see, the price has massively increased since that time frame. Guys, this is a little bit of meme action, reminiscence of the times when you could buy Shiba Inu at $500 and become a millionaire. Now, I do not think this is going to be happening all the time, but some coins are seeing massive gains, and I do think this will be happening more and more and more as the crypto bull run run starts to progress and more people get into the space. As you guys can see, some of these coins over the monthly time frame have seen massive gains. XRD has seen 154% over the month. RNDR has seen 100% gains over the month. ING has seen 72% gains over the month. CSPR has seen 60% gains over the month. So some of these coins are seeing massive gains. As you guys can see, HBAR is up 7% on the day. CSPR is up 6% on the day. ARB up 3% on the day. So some of these coins are doing better than others, and it takes time to look at them and find. But you can use social media metrics to find coins like PEPE. Again, it's very risky to invest like this. A portfolio, my suggestion is probably do Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then some of the altcoins. So let's say you have $1,000. I'd put 500 into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then the rest of the 500 into some higher cap altcoins, and then maybe like 200 into some riskier altcoins like PEPE and Shiba Inu, things like that, meme coins, because they do give good gains, especially in these bull runs. So this is what we're looking at for PEPE. Again, this is a meme coin that is absolutely doing numbers up 50% or up several hundred percentages over its existence. As you guys can see, someone has bought $500 of PEPE and turned it into about $1.1 million. Absolutely reminiscent of the Shiba Inu days, and some meme coin action for you guys. If we go ahead and check out Crypto Panic, which shows us the open or the news for the coins, as you guys can see, we have some coins out on how Bored Apes creators plans to get to the other side, and we have massive news for Ripple and other coins like that. If we go ahead and check out the coin bubbles and coin glass, you can see that the open interest, so this is coin glass, this is showing you the open interest for Bitcoin, is mostly placed to the long side. And guys, that's why I'm thinking we're going to see that pump to the upside as well, as the technical is showing us that we're breaking out of this pennant and going to be pushing to the upside. Again, I think we're going to move to the 30,000 range here in the close Eastern Standard Time, and then have a pullback until the market opens, and then start heading to 30 to 32,000, 34,000 in that range once the market opens this week. So I do expect upside for Bitcoin this week. So guys, this is basically everything I'm looking at for the cryptocurrency markets. I just wanted to let you guys know what happened on the meme coin level, and also some altcoins that I like personally: Ethereum, Cardano, Polygon, Cosmos. I think Cosmos is going to do really good. As you guys can see, Cosmos is looking really good. As you guys can see right here is the 200 EMA marked in white in the daily time frame. Anytime asset gets over the 200 EMA, that is a very bullish signal. As you guys can see, it's about to cross over the 200 EMA on the daily time frame. Also, we have also have the 50 EMA right here marked in gold. It's about to have a bullish golden cross. Once it gets over the 200 EMA marked in white, that is a bullish golden cross, which is a very bullish signal. Also, we can see that we're high off of the lows. The lows are $8, and we are now at $12. And this coin's all-time high is about $44. I do think that this next bull run, this coin is going to see over that $50, $60, $70. Massive gains to be made. As you guys can see, this coin is only $11 right now, and I do think that it can easily go to $50 or more per coin. So some of these coins are going to see massive gains during the bull run. One of them I like, again, is Cosmos Atom, and you can get staking for this coin. Just to be fully transparent, I do have Cardano, Polygon, Cosmos, Atom, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I do hold these assets. But guys, this is what I have for you. This is everything I'm looking at for the cryptocurrency market. I do think a new bull run is starting. Again, this is the beginning of the bull run. We're going to see chop. We're going to see sideways. We're going to see people getting panicked and shook out. But we are going to move into that euphoria stage later down the road at the end of 2023 and into 2024, in my personal opinion. So this is what I'm looking at for the crypto and Bitcoin market. So hopefully you found this video informative. You could check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more updates. I talk about stocks and crypto all day long and my trades. So if you find that interesting, go ahead and check that out. Link down in the comment section and description below. And as always, guys, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, and I appreciate each and every one of you that drops comments, shows love, and watches to the end of the video to see this message. It truly does mean a lot to me. And guys, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. Link down in the comment section description below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.